Hello, this is Jane Talbot, and for today's adventure I have taken the Edinburgh Handedness test. In fact, I've taken two versions of the test so I could cross-check my results. This test is interesting because it doesn't seek to answer the question, are you right-handed or are you left-handed? It seeks to answer the question, to what degree are you right-handed or left-handed? In the first version of the test, it used a scale that went up to positive 100 and down to negative 100. A score of positive 100 would indicate complete right-handedness, preference for the right hand, and negative 100, complete preference for the left hand, completely left-handed. My results on this test gave me a laterality index of 45. I come in the middle decile, and unfortunately there isn't an interpretation key for this version of the test, but my interpretation was that I had a slight preference for my right hand and had mixed handedness, so a slight preference for the right hand. So I took another version of the test, and this one actually drew the conclusions for you. It put a label on your results. Similar, went up to +1, complete right-handedness or a preference for the right hand, -1, left-handedness, complete left-handedness or a complete preference for the left hand. And on this version of the test, my results were +0.04. So actually a similar result to the other test, and the label I got for that was mixed right-handedness. So for me it is true that there are some activities that I definitely prefer to do with my right hand. There are some activities I definitely prefer to do with my left hand, and there are some activities where it doesn't really matter which hand I use, either hand is better. Now, I'm not sure what conclusions to draw from this test and why I might have certain preferences, but I found the test in itself quite interesting because I'd never considered handedness in degrees. I wonder what you are. See you tomorrow.